Ugochi Eze-Ana Oneti n'ụtụtụ n'abalị ọ nọ na nkuzi Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu onye ọma na oraifite onye mgbasa ozi ọma ọdịnala gaba n'ihu Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu onye malije ọnụ ọdịnala bụ ụzọ ndụ gaba n'ihu Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu onye ọma na oraifite onye mgbasa ozi ọma ọdịnala gaba n'ihu Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu onye malije ọnụ ọdịnala bụ ụzọ ndụ gaba n'ihu Eze-Ana ga-adị Ugochi tubelu ga-adị Ugochi tubelu temple ọ ya adị maka na eziokwu anwa chacha ndị okenye ga-adị from the back ndị ochie bịanụ from the back fada sikara aka onye ụmụ Igbo si anyị rapụ nke anyị na nke faka mma buru Baịbụl bịa akwụkwọ akụkọ ezekwa chọọchị fa n'obodo ụka mmanụ Ugochi tubelu ekweghị ekwe Eze-Ana si na ọma mbe ọdịnala ọmanwụ chacha oge ọbụla ọ na-eti ọ nọ na nkuzi Chukwu Abịama gbago ume ọdịnala ya dị Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu onye ọma na oraifite onye mgbasa ozi ọma ọdịnala gaba n'ihu
ụtụtụ ọma na ụmụ ọdịnala Igbo abịakwa m n'oge awa nke eziokwu nke ọ bụ m nwa bụ Ogbuefi Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu na-anọ n'isi ya maka ndị ọ bụ taa bụ izizi ha na-afụ m abụ m onye isi nchụaja na Ugochi tubelu ọdịnala temple nke dị na oraifite na Anambra steeti anyị na-agba afa miri emi ma lụkwazi ọrụ mmụọ dị iche iche abụkwazi m onye isi nchụaja na ọdịnala restoration prayer ministry bụrụkwazi onye mgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo you can call me an ọdịnala evangelist I will answer n'ụbọchị tata a sị na ọmaka ga-emere unu niile ma nwoke ma nwaanyị a sị m ebe ọ bụla onye nọ ifeọma ma erie a sị m na onye na-achọ unu ga-ada maka na ilo na-asị na-egwu na ọfọ na ogu enwere mkpochi onye sị na unu ga-adị mma a sị m na onye a ga-adị mma mana onye sị na unu ama adị mma a sị m na onye a ama adịnata mma ka iru ụwa agwụ tụọ ngọrọ ya ka o lere n'aha Chukwu Okike nke pụrụ ime ihe niile isiokwu anyị ji bịa tata bụ what we must do to be successful. Two things you must do to be successful. Ọnya ka anyị ji bịa n'ụbọchị taa ka m gwa gị nke bụ eziokwu ihe ị nwere ike ime gee ntị ma gee ntị nke ọma. Today's topic is a life changing one. Ihe ị nwere ike imere onye ifuru n'anya bụ share the link ka onye ahụ nwee ike ịnụ from the horse's mouth. Ekenego m ndị sonyere anyị. Nneka ekenekwa gị nnukwu nwaanyị Nneka Ijele ekenere gị kere maka eko n'ụbọchị taa so ka anyị gaba n'iru. Anyị kenekwa m ndị ọzọ ndị niile sonyere anyị all over the globe ma ndị sonyere anyị ndị bụ ada comment ekenekwara m unu niile onwe ndị na-esonyere anyị ndị bụ just silent listeners and watchers. They will not collect comment but they will be looking at us. Yet ekelere m onye ọbụla nke onye ọbụla na-eme dị mma. Denụ nke a bụ isiokwu anyị ji bịa. Echefukwana na aja anyị na-achụ kwa ọnwa nke ọnwa March ga-ebido na March 6. So ọ bụrụ na ị chọrọ isonye na ya bụ aja ịma na ị ga-ebido kịta bukwe before March 5th. Ụmụgodo ndị book megoro March. So ihe m na-ekwu maka ya bụ 1 ndị na-esonye na ya amarago ka esi eme ya, mana maka gị nwe onye ọfụ ihe ị ga-eme ya way forward ya 3 prayer request. Aja mbunye elu aja ịpụta ihe, aja anyị na-achụ for 14 days n'isi ndị niile sonyere na ya bụ aja. Ihe ọ pụtara bụ na ndị na-eje na temple chụọrọ ha aja n'isi ha kwa ụbọchị present their prayer request to the entities of powers in the temple. Ụbọchị a ga-ebido a ga-achụkwa aja ihe mme dị iche iche mee saraka. Then ụbọchị ndị ọzọ m ga na-achụ aja nsuru ọkụ n'isi ha, na-ekwubi okwu n'isi ha maka na ike niri okwu ọnụ, wee ruo na 14 days ga-abụ na 19th of March. That 19th of March anwa anyị ga-achụkwa aja dị iche iche, aja ihe mme dị iche iche, achụcha ya egbukwazi egbu maka na eburu na-edu ude wee mekwa saraka n'isi mmadụ niile. Nke bụ eziokwu bụ na ị mara uru aja ayiri n'igwe bara. Onwege ụbọchị nye ya bụ topic, go to my YouTube channel ka ị watch ya the importance of group aja. Yọtara ya? Maka na ọ bụrụ na aja esililo ebidolo with blood sacrifice, siluo ya nnukwu ụbọchị a na-emechi chụọ aja dị iche gbuo egbu, no matter how small ego na itinyere the token itinyere in the spiritual realm, unu niile ndị sonye na ya bụ aja gburu egbu. Ọ bụrụ na ịghọtara ya, the importance of group aja. Ọ bụrụ na ka gbara ịkọwata ka anyị gabagoro n'iru, mana ịwụ na emere ihe na ị gara ma YouTube channel ịwọchị ihe nkọwara maka ya. Kebe eziokwu na-enweghị ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ njegoro testimony, yes, ka na-enyere otu moro, mana anyị dịka ndị si malụ, anyị abụrụ ndị na-esho social media ihu ọla ya na-esho ihe na social media, anyị na-esho okwa testimonies na social media maka na ọ dịrọ necessary, ọ bụrụ ihe anyị bịa. Ịghọtara ya? Mana I can tell you na ngwo ndị na-esonyere anyị na aja for over a year plus. Ngwo ndị sonyere anyị last year, sonyekwara anyị this year, they have paid for through this year. Anyway, ka abụrụ ya ka anyị ji maka ya bịa. Then ọ bụrụ na ị chọrọ isonye na ya, ihe ị ga-eme ewu chat ya m na WhatsApp 08057837672 08057837672. Chat ya m ka nye details. Then ebe ihe send ya token. Then ka nwetakwazie details gị anyị need iji wee book gị. Then nke ọzọ echefuna na echi niile, okay, next tomorrow Thursday ka anyị ga-post to the that's my life story, true life story, yes, for Ogbuefi Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu. I ji wee art film about the rejected staff ọfọ ka efu ihe ọfọ mmelụ na ngwuru be nna m, amakwa na ọfọ emego ọtụtụ ihe dị iche iche na ngwuru dị iche iche na ndị niile na-ege m ntị, ka anyị nwee ike malụ solution to your problem. Yes, jee na my YouTube channel Ogbuefi Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu oraifite ka ị watch ya. I send ya na season by season. Season 1 is there, season 2 is there. I can tell you Saturday morning ị ga-enwetakwazi season 3. Agwa gị na ọ dịgido wee ruo season 11. Yes, so nke a bụ ị na-eche anya video ịtụsarịa ndị mmadụ, ị nwere ike save life, maka na o nwere ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ na-ata afụfụ nọ n'ụzọ dị etu a na-eme ọ dị ka a dị eme ife a dị eme na nkịtị. Ịghọtara ya? Ife a dị eme na nkịtị, so ọnya ka anyị na-ekwu maka ya. Ya ahụghị ya ama. Then nke ọzọ si bụ dị nnukwute mkpa bụ inerecha anyị tụsarịa ndị ọzọ. Nke ọzọ bụ na dị mkpa bụ echefuna na ụbọchị Monday and Thursdays bụ like taa ejegori na temple je kwubie okwu n'isi ndị friends of the temple na ndị niile kụrụ mbamba na temple na ndị our fans all over the world. Ike dị n'okwu ọnụ. Yes, ụbọchị Thursday dị tọọ ụbọchị anyị ji enwe counseling. Yes, enwe counseling later today, and anyị ji enwe our own ministration using ọdịnala method. Then echefukwana na ụbọchị ọbụla ị na-abịa a book appointment with me ka ị were sure na ga-erute gị, aga-eru ya turn. Yes, then I kwuru m na counseling bụ free, mana ịgba afa na-akwụ ụgwọ. Then ikwubi okwu n'aha Chukwu Okike ka bụ onyinye amara ada ana ego, ejo isonye na our administration ada ana ego. Then mana ọ bụrụ na ị gwara m agụ, nwere ike ịbịa ọ bụrụ na ama enweta ọ na ịfụ gị one on one, Unless it was for the engage a lodge in a hotel. Anyway. Natalia? So, Korean Nekumakia. Here Nekumakia about one. Now, you pay attention, now Kuja is better. It's a life changing one. Kagabaniru. You can go over. Actually, what is common among successful people? For you to be successful, you must have a mentor. Who is your mentor? Very important. You must have a successful mentor. Somebody you look up to. Somebody you follow his or her footstep. Onye na motivate gị na abụ inecha ihe na-eme ihe mere na ndụ ya ọ bụrụ a motivate to you. One thing that is very common among successful people, and that is the secret I want to relate to you today. One, successful people never give up. Very common. Two, consistency. No matter any challenge. Three, positive mindset. 4, building capacity. Building capacity by learning from someone that is already on the top. You must have a mentor. I keep saying it, mentorship is the key. It's very key for success. Yes. Now, for you to be successful, is 2 things are involved. You must be prepared spiritually, you must be prepared physically. Because the spiritual control the physical. Don't tell me that no one day is successful. Some of those things you call success is not even success. And the problem matter in on a success on top. Here them about consistency, remaining on top. Somebody can, I don't know how you measure success, yeah, anyway. Some people can, maybe a kidnapper, a scammer, somebody, where you get hit millions of naira, buy a car, build a house. For you, you might think that the person is successful. The person is not successful in anything. Because the person can never remain at that top. Because he cannot manage it. Because overall success is built by laying the right foundation. Yes. If you build success by laying the right foundation, you will remain on top. But you get caught to corners. In creation, there is so much danger in cutting corners. Example, our foundation is built able content creators. But instead of them to grow from scratch, to have organic followers, they will go and pay somebody money for the person to generate fake followers. Yes. Then the person have fake followers, but that fake followers might run in thousands, but it can never translate to getting results because the person cut corners. You understand? So you don't need to cut corners. In creation, example, if you are climbing staircase, if you try to jump some steps, you can enjoy yourself. Nature made it so that you'll be climbing step by step, step by step, step by step. And by so doing, you will be experiencing whatever nature throws at you at every given stage. Life on its own is a lesson. So 1, for you to be successful and remain successful, 1, you must have the mind to make this world a better place. That should be your driving force. To make this world a better place. To be of help to humanity. There is two ways to make money. Either you are selling goods or you are providing services. That is the only way to make money, genuine money on social media. Either you are selling goods or you are providing services. Providing services is so huge. Yes. Then that is two ways to make money, genuine money on social media. Now, but for you to start, you need spiritual backing. You know why? Because you need to activate the natural gift in you. If you have gift for content creating content, by developing your spiritual powers, your spiritual powers will drive, activate that your natural gift. Because the ancient book says, the gift of a man maketh a way for him. The gift of a man maketh a way for him. Now, since you know that the gift of a man maketh a way for you, then how did you come about that gift? It's a gift from above, from the Almighty Father, from your Ezumes. Yes. So therefore, for you to explore that very gift to the fullest, you must be in good terms with that your spiritual forces. That is the only way you will explore to the great height. So what am I saying? What I'm saying in essence is this. You must build bridges spiritually. You must be in good terms with your spiritual forces. Try to develop a personal relationship with your entities. Let me tell you what you don't know. That will surprise you. Some people believe that they are the only one that is praying. It's not true. Gini prayer. Prayer is iwelitu uche anyị enu n'obi anyị enu n'ebe Chukwu nọ. Ọkwa eziokwu. Eta mmanya na-eje ụka ọbịa. Yes. Ihe a bụ nkọwa ndị ụka ọbịa and that's nkọwa abala. Ebe na-ebu iwelitu uche anyị enu n'obi anyị enu n'ebe Chukwu nọ. So prayer is to lift your soul, your spirit, and all that made you. Lift them up to connect it with the word of spirit, with the spiritual realm. In order for you to remain connected, so that you will be receiving vision, so that you will be receiving knowledge, so that you will be receiving technical know-how, all these things is the gift from above. Let me tell you one thing. Before you become a successful content creator, or you become successful in any field you find yourself, you must first of all have this vision. And for you to develop this vision, for me, I've already told you to build spiritual exercise. You must have time for a spiritual exercise. It could be in the morning, afternoon, or night. The best time for you. When that time comes, isolate yourself from the public. Whatever you are doing, drop it. Get a quiet time facing the east. It could be midnight. Myself, I use midnight, 3 a.m. Yes, you can use any time of your choice. But please, if you're a type that once you wake up in the midnight, you will not be able to go to sleep again, please forget midnight. You can choose any other time of your choice. Then, facing the east, 4 corners of your room, one side face the east, just stress it. Once you face the east, whether you have your uzu, or you have your edo, or you have your drink, or you have even water, a cup of water, whatever you have, or even you have a candlestick, whatever you have. But even if you don't have any, that cannot stop you. You can only stop yourself. In spiritual matters, what is important is the ability to uplift your inner being. So when that time comes, face the east, call your chonyowa, call your andichie, your ancestors, call the forces of nature mmụọ niile gị na-emere gị ihe, mmụọ niile na-eso gị na mmụọ niile na-emere gị na mmụọ niile na-atụghị anya ekere n'aka. All the spiritual forces that follows you from your mother's side and from your father's side, and all the elements. And don't forget to include the spirits that owns that particular day. Let's say Afọ. Imesi kpọọ mmụọ onye na-eri oke na Afọ ka ha bịa megide ka ha bịa nọnye. Iwe kpọọ ha gwa ha afa gị sị na ewukwa nwa edetu a etu a nọ Ogbuefi Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu. Abụ m onye oraifite Anambra steeti. Ana m akpọkwa unu ezumezu m unu bịakwa n'oge uruchi a maọbụ oge ehihie maọbụ oge ụtụtụ na m bịara ka mụ na ụnụ nọrịa iwe tugbefe afa kene Chukwu okike nke pụrụ ime ihe niile onye ike niile si n'aka ya abịa bụ ya na ọ bụ ya bụ karịcha bịa na yozie mmụọ niile so Chukwu okike ha na Chukwu okike na-ejere Chukwu na mmadụ ozi tugbefe afa ikubi amadi ọha ikubi ụlasị ikubi iko tugbefe afa etuchefe afa isi ha na-ewụkwọ nwata na-asa ahụ n'afọ ebe ọ bụla isi mejọ ha biko ha forgive. Imesia ya ịkpọzie all the ya elements si ha biko na-ebịa ka gị na ha nọ ya n'oge a biko ha nye gị wisdom, ha nye gị vision, ha nye gị knowledge, ha bless ya beyond measures so that you will be able to succeed massively. You must have time for eternity. Let me tell you, when I was in India, do you know that even though some of these religions in Afro, they are not Christians, they are not even ordinary people, they normally have time for their spiritual exercise. They don't joke with it. Now, once you remove yourself, you go there and meditate. You ponder. After key message there, to chaff your high bone is major Hamaragi. You also have to go Hanyaga. I aspire you. Hanyagamara. Here you will do the Nandua. A message here. Your child, you those way. You could be oku ni mentoge. You hate your candle get the care. It could be Joe Guawa. Then a bazi hank the West Abico. Now, how was Yegi hatch or Keno? How was Yegi? He paused after complaining, praising them, and etc. etc. Then pause a while. Say how could be here. Now, how would the boha, the megade, naked. He paused for a while. Believe in me, work like magic. That I, Ogbuefi Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu, remain where I am today is as a result of this spiritual exercise. Work like magic. Maybe we put 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes of your choice. Daily is not too much. Messiah, even if you know every name, you will improve. Okay, apostle. You will kill on everyone. Even that your inner mind and our intuition. When you get the benefit. Man, if you don't have spiritual exercise, if that their intuition will become more active and enlarged. We will go back and say, business here, the image on business here, where achieve income or achieve income. Why not look into social business or into social line or into social stuff? By then, if you don't interact with the more in the hassle, or have a business you would say, na ihe na-emekwa na ọ bụrụ nya ka ị ga-emesi ya na ọ bụrụ ihe a ka ogiri ya emesi wee megide wee rie nwafọ gị ihe ị ga-eme ewu gị mee introduce so and so in your business. Ọ bụrụ na your approach to your customers is so poor, then you will be directed that look, your approach to customers is so poor that you need to upgrade it. You need to work on that. Your vision, your creativity is so poor. Now, about here, you want a direction. Okay, or if you are able to say you want to be a content creator, act in this manner, go in this manner. Now, where the area of specialization is Malagi. If we be want that inspiration to act towards that direction. Fear. I'm going to boy and as well. And when they get buying with that direction. Get have wafi and as by I can make it pay. About he can name what some spiritual advice. Let me tell you, all these successful people you are seeing, because what they got is inspiration. They got that vision very clearly. Some when he came in a lahola, when you mind a spiritual exercise, that voice are there. Or enough into trance. You make a small aburugi, maybe 5 minutes or a few seconds. If we had a television, that's the thing they are so real. In what has yours here we email for the fact that no here we well goes in more biriaka and never will know more is what they are bozy. Mother now go away discourage Jeggy Makihina, name wherever the messages and that message is out loss of vibrations and energy. For that reason, he will never give up easily. Because Oburuche mother, no we hear Kusinegi. In our lolo, Emanas Nibo to Yusuna, Onyen Yadiro, a joke about Uzo, for the fact that no, this message you got it for the spiritual angle. It will motivate you to succeed massively. You will not take no for an answer. So being with that inspiration that one, if you did the energy eager at that to achieve that thing it will make clear message with that. They are very enormous. And you will succeed massively. So what am I saying in essence? In essence, you pay attention to it so that he wanted that vision. All that your ambition put into practicalize. You will want to win up. Come on, here. Only in Agua Kondo Kobe, I would have asked on a book. Jesus on Do Kobe and I want to get always go away in the or get away better. To energize the spirit. So therefore you need to refuel his spiritual energy. So how are you refilling your spiritual energy? Is it in on to go in on beer palo? No, West now I throw yourself away. More time for your spiritual exercise. Many things will be coming up here, your brain. And they believe in me, once you practicalize them, you see yourself very successful. Because I was Mark Zuckerberg, the man I have so much respect for. According to the story we had about him, how he created this blow up. It's just because he have this passion to be of great help, to create a platform for his colleagues, his fellow college members to interact to each other. For that love to affect lives, to be of great help to his environment. Eventually, that particular notion to be of great mind to and help to others start paying him today massively. So, do you know why we pay landlords? Are we paying our landlords because they are too handsome? No. We pay them because our landlords are solving our house needs. Why do we pay our hospital bills to our doctors? Because doctors are solving our health needs. Believe in me. Once you will be able to solve people's needs, they will be able to pay you. Let me give you an example. If you're a lawyer, do you know that if you're a lawyer, you create your time to come to social media to teach people about simple laws, to know their rights, to know why they should register their business and all that? Believe in me, by giving out, telling people the services you can render, and you can be a big plus to them by giving them, opening their eyes to know what they're supposed to know. You are offering services. Believe in me, you will get paid. Some people will engage you. And once you build one of the great ingredients that drive success, which is honest, you will be successful. Do you know, let me draw you a little bit. Do you know that, let's say, the issue of monetization has become issue? Then, again, or if you understudy how to run a successful page, or how to manage your TikTok account, Facebook account, or how to manage your YouTube account successfully, and understand the community rules very well, and they understand how to monetize, how to promote all these packages, believe in me, making money. Especially after learning those things, don't forget to add that essential ingredients that drive success, which is honest. Enwere ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ nọ na social media, o nwere ike ọ sị na ya wụ content promoter, na ya na-promote page, na-promote YouTube, na-promote nka. But if the person have not built that so important stuff, which is honest, if people does not trust you, you will never succeed. Because being honest will attract trust. And that trust will make you to go places. Example, I'm a name with so many people. They might hear Basalo know how to run your page or even help you to promote your page. I'm a name of them, but at least for me, I am 100% sure of Uncle IB. Believe in me, I have never met this young man. Yes. Onweboro ihe gbasara m or manage it. Yes. But I know I have bought something from him before. And I believe in me, I believe he's very honest. And if I have any reason for such services, I will reach out to him. Unless if he's not available. I'm not saying he's the only one that is very honest. I know there must be other people, but the person I know. So what am I saying? Even if you don't have anything but you have a smartphone, but you went for training, all this is a training. Sometimes you pay money to be trained in some certain area. In that area you were trained, you can even come on social media and be telling people about that area you are trained. That's your area of specialization. And make sure you are very honest. Make sure that you are honest so that if anybody comes across you, the person will recommend you to others. Because this world is as looking at. We are like chain. Before you know it, you do for somebody and somebody will recommend you. You understand? Like for me, for example, a friend of mine recommended the person that edited my movie. And how the guy processed the whole issue, he have already earned my trust. Now I can trust him in a bigger work, You understand? So what I'm saying is that make sure you are very honest. What you know you can do, say you can do. What you cannot do, back out. So you must learn it. This is how to make money. You must have clear vision of what you want. Now, I'm done with services. If there are so many ways to make money, when I was in Abuja, I normally use myself as an example. I make money by selling. You know what I did? I took my time to get myself trained in online importation. If you go to my YouTube channel, the first topic there is online importation. Yes. I went to training and get myself expertise. Now, I now know that in the comfort of my home, I can be in my house and import so many things online. And how to know genuine sites. And how to know genuine sites. And how to know genuine profiles. I was trained by experts. So I learned it very well. So when I was in Abuja, I built house in Abuja. I even built tenant house in Abuja. From the money I make from my online importation. What did I import? I mean, Abuja, I started importing from eBay for years. From eBay, I import from some companies that I met through eBay. And I later found out that those companies are legitimate. I began to trade with them off eBay. But I will warn you, you must learn how to know genuine accounts and genuine people. Yes, from the feedbacks. So I began to trade. I have never visited America, but I've been buying goods from New Jersey, from Texas, from so many, Washington, name them. I will buy those things online and get those things shipped to my US address, and those things will be shipped down to my Abuja address. Believe in me, before you know it, I began to import projectors, use laptops. Believe in me, under good luck, I made huge amount of money. Because some of these laptops, I will import them at maybe some of them very functional laptop at maybe 15 to 20,000 naira then. And I will be selling them with maybe profit margin of 10, 15, sometimes 20,000. And sometimes I will sell up to 3, 4, or 5. Sometimes I will sell up to 10 a day. Because at a stage, people that normally sell inside will say normally come to me and buy. Even before I left Abuja, I gave that contact to one of my customers. When I want to come down to start my work, I gave him, because he normally buy from me and go to Wuse market and resell. Now, because I'm staying Kuwa side. Now, what did I do? So I now charge him and gave him some, and introduce him to my pattern and the company I normally buy from. He's now living big. He's a big boy now. Even sometime last year, his mother called me to thank me for what I did for his boy, his son. And since that time, I have given another 2 extra people that connection. You understand? And so many things. So there are so many ways you can buy. That time, I will buy my goods, I will package them, and resell them in other social platforms like marketplaces like gg.ng and some other platforms. And so even on my Facebook page then, yes, I sell. I understand. People already know that I bring laptops. Use laptop very clear from US. So I use this one to cite the example. From there, I own a computer laptop shop. From there, I began to use the same method to buy some goods from China. I imported goods from China. Even the mouse, flash drive, the chargers, name them. All the computer peripherals, I used to get them from China. So all those things, I use the same contact. Because of training, you must get yourself trained. You must even pay. You can even pay to go for those training, those online training. So what am I saying? Sometimes you can even buy from an importer and repost it in your own platform. Believe in me, there are some people that are willing to pay huge amount of money for something, for some goods. They don't have time to go to market and start pricing. Like me, I have new sets. I have name them. I have solar lights everywhere and so many things. Even my cameras I put in my house, both the solar and the electric cameras. Those ones I didn't even go to market. But I don't have time. So I bought them online. It's not a matter of making calls. So what am I saying? If there's some people that really need some certain stuff, but they don't have time to go to conventional markets to go and buy those things. But if you know some of those things, you can get them where they're selling them and advertise them in your platform, and people will buy it from you. You get. So the only way to make money is know where you can buy those things. Do you know that some of these women makeups and whatever, you can go to a men market, shoes and bags and whatever. Go to a men market, you see importers that import these bags from Dubai and from China and the other rest. Now get them there, buy few, come to your page, your profile on Facebook, your social media handles, post them. Believe in me, if people have trust you, they will order for it and get it paid you. And once one person, somebody paid you, you deliver, you have already built trust. From there, you keep on escalating. You understand? So trust is very important. Once people can trust you, they will start paying money to you to wherever their goods. Please don't disappoint them. Trust is very important. You must get something you are selling. Stop being spectators. Some of you are here on social media while others are making money. You are here burning your tatas. There is nothing you are doing on social media. You are only just keep clapping. You are not selling. You are not providing services. Then what are you doing? It's either you are providing one services or the other, or you are selling one goods or the other. That is the only way to make it on social media. Look, that you have done your spiritual work will not put money into your pocket. The reason for you to be at peace with the natural forces and the forces that follows you is to smoothen the path. Yes, but they will not put money into your pocket. For you to be at peace with the law of karma, for you to be at peace with forces of nature, so that they always guide you, they will always protect you from invaders, so that they will protect you from other people, scavengers, people that want to take where they did not sow. Their work is just to give you vision, give you knowledge, to protect your interest. That is why you are doing your spiritual work. Believe in me, spiritual work cannot put money into your pocket. What spiritual work we do is, if you succeed in building personal relation with the forces of nature, then having built that social personal relation with them, you became friends. So, and once you became friends with them, they will bless you with luck. The way your parents will bless you if they are happy with you. That is the same way the entities of powers will bless you when they are at peace with you. But physical cash they will not give you. But what they will always do is to protect you from scavengers, from people that harm people, from evils of this world. What they will always do, this is my son that I'm well pleased with. For the fact that they are well pleased with you, they will always protect your interest to make sure that these vultures and evil men does not take what rightly belongs to you. That's the only thing they will do for you. But for that physical money to enter your pocket, my brother, my sister, you must work it out. You know that, yeah? You must do it yourself. You must, the brain, the technical know-how on how to make things work must come from your brain. Not your spiritual work, we do it for you. Spiritual work, we give you the spiritual backing you needed. Then, but to carry it out in the world of physical must come from you. So what am I saying? Build personal relation with entities of power. Sometimes be in a quiet moment so that you will drive some vision, get some vision and some spiritual assistance. Then after getting that vision and spiritual assistance, please, you must be the one that will drive them. Let me tell you, there are some people that have this vision. I don't believe that you always thinking that things are so difficult, that why you did not succeed because you don't have a mentor. I don't think you're serious. Believe in me. Put in your best, and whenever you are putting your shot, stop putting have bigger strength. In anything you want to do, give it your best shot, 100%. Believe in me. If you know any pilot that normally fly aircraft, ask the person. Once the plane hit the wrong way, yes, running, before the plane will take off and become airborne, the pilot must give it 100% power. If not, the aircraft will not fly. Even if it fly, it will like crash. You need 100%. So we'll stop giving the severe attitude in whatever you are doing, giving weak power, weak energy to what you are doing. I have tried now, but your mindset is negative. You don't even believe that you will succeed. You are just putting, okay, let me just be that I did not try. Small time people will say I did not try. Let me just try. You are deceiving yourself. For me, I don't believe that no one here are achievable. I believe that everything is achievable. Yes, as long as somebody on earth have achieved it, for me, I believe that I have achieved it. Every success starts from your mind. You understand? Oh, yeah, but Jesus don't call me a no, they can mustard seed that no you move mountain. You must be convinced. Understand? Let me give you an example. There is this particular guy. This guy has been my follower since last year. So, but at a stage, he starts coming closer to me, as in we start chatting and everything. I now find out that this guy is one of my strong followers. One, two, is somebody, there's something I saw in him. I saw somebody that is so determined to succeed, somebody that is so passionate, understand, to make an impact in life. So I saw this desire in him. He have not been where he's supposed to be. But by the time I saw what is in him, that this guy have really is someone that really made up his mind that he really want to succeed in life. He's not talking about money. You understand? He's not talking about money. So for the fact that he's not talking about money, because one, if you want to succeed in life, don't even goes up. Yes, he get the knowledge and technical know-how. Believe in me, once you have knowledge, money will come. For the fact that I have seen what this guy is made of, believe in me, I have not even told him, I have not told him all the plans I have for him. But believe in me, I have already decided to engage him. In fact, automatically, I have already decided to give him work. Yes, as my manager. You know why? I gave him that work. And I know I'm now willing to send him for more trainings. Yes, to train him in so many fields. You understand? That will help him in future to become better human being, even after working with me for a while. You understand? So I have long-term plan for him. But at the same time, I will send him to so many trainings so for him to become better. But it doesn't work that way. But because I have already seen his effort to be successful, therefore I will give him. I will give him a helping hand. But some people, they will not put that enough effort that is required for you to become convinced that if you invest on social person, it's not going to be in vain. You understand? Some people will say, why they are not successful, they are not seeing for someone that will give them 1 million naira. Even if you give such a person 1 million naira, you will spend it. Because money is just not like that. You will make money, lay the foundation from up. That's why Scabba, Yahoo people will make 10 million naira. In the next 6 years, 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, you will go broke again. You know why? He did not know how to grow money. But if you see somebody in main market that maybe after serving his organ for 1 year, for 6 years, if there is no spiritual problem that link with that guy, give that guy 2 million naira in Onitsha main market here. In the next couple of years, the boy will become an importer. Quote me anywhere. Because he knows how to grow money. How to grow money is what he learned during boy 10 for 6 years. But somebody that boom, become a kidnapper and kidnap 1 million of naira. Then Yahoo get millions of naira. In next couple of years, he go broke again. Or people want to know about lotto. If the person hits huge amount of money, jackpot, after a few years, he go broke. You know why? He did not know how to grow money. How many times have you, do you know, let me tell you, proposal. Have you written a wonderful proposal on what you want to become? And it remain to finance you, and you take it to A and B, and you don't see somebody that will buy into your dreams. You see somebody that know how to write a good script. Do you know that you see somebody that writes a very good script of movie script? You take it to a producer or somebody like me. If I see that you are a raw talent, one, not only buying that your script, two, I'll make sure I showcase you to the world to see you, thereby giving you a platform. Minus only me, other people can still do the same thing. So you can write proposal of what you want to become. Example, some people will say, okay, they are running program on how to promote YouTube channel, Facebook, or promote pages and whatever. Then you have the dreams to go for training, and you search for it and see where they are holding training. Maybe you are within the Axis, or you are Enugu Axis, or you are Port Harcourt, Abuja, or Lagos, and you approach one or two people that you want to register for so many program, and the person research truly that there is some program like that, not scamming. You will see somebody that will decide to support you because he have already seen that you are a man of vision. People will not like to share a program that will affect life. Like this one I'm giving, people will not like to burn their data to watch it. But believe in me, during my time when I was growing up, I paid money to attend trainings almost on every weekend in Abuja. Sometimes that program will be hosted by white people. I will pay money to go and get myself trained. Money is not falling from heaven. It must be trained if you want to remain successful, and will be growing from strength to strength, not just boom up, boom down. Economy also, no bụrụ nọ na up isiokwu, no remaining on top. Onwego mmadụ n'ime ụnụ na onwe ụnụ now need total broke, and the ụwa nke na-akpọ onye ọyọwachie iwe yowa no bụ na n'efuru a company where you can learn how to. Do you know that even learning how to monetize YouTube page and how to be a good content creator will pay you? Do you know that if you undergo such training, you come online and be teaching people how to do that, it will pay you? Don't you know? Do you know that people can pay you for services? You understand? So have you find out a company where you can be trained, and the money you will pay for to attend the training class, maybe a day, 2 days, you do not see somebody that will sponsor you? You are not coming with a good idea. Maybe what you are asking somebody to help you is to help you pay house rent. House rent you will pay. After paying, you will be sleeping. In the morning, you will be sleeping at home. Or maybe you are asking somebody to go and help you to pay for to buy phone you are not using to even work, phone that you are not even using to create money, while other people are using their phone to make money online. You are using your own to watch a good picture. And even what I'm showing now is to blackmail others or to pull other people down in order to clap or showing nude picture. Thousands of people will be online watching me. But believe in me, I'm not interested in trying to pull somebody down for me to climb. I'm not interested. Yes, because I understand the laws of nature. That garbage in, garbage out. Whatever you sow is what you reap. And you will never see me with controversial issues. And you will never see me try to post a nude of a thing or what that is not really uplifting for the sake of having viewers. I'm not interested. I know that the people that really matters listen to my voice and apply it, and believe in me, lots of people are giving testimonies. So some people, if now I saw on social media, what do you want me to do for you? If you see some people, they will not even tell you that they want to attend program or legitimate program that he can even verify. They will not. They will be telling you that they need the money, 80,000, 100,000 to pay their house rent. They need their phone. Ask him what is he using that phone for. He's using that phone to show nakedness. They will not even tell you. Ask them what they are needing for. What they will be telling you is like investing in liquidity. I'm telling you, what they want you to invest in is they are not trying to invest in something of the brain that will help you to accumulate money. Let me tell you, if you now tell me that you need money to start business, that money is better. That you want to use that money to start business. If you manage that money well, the money will start yielding money for you to be able to buy clothes, live large, change your, maybe you want to move to a better apartment. But approaching me that you need money to change clothes, to buy phone, to pay your debt, all this money, because that money you use to pay them does not translate to anything. But if it's money for business, the money will keep on attracting other money. So what am I saying? I'm not saying that all those ones are not good, but what I'm saying in essence is this: learn what you want to achieve in life, so that people will see you. Why some of the people are not helping you? That what you are asking money for is not essential. You understand? What you are asking the money for is not what will bring. Here amata nwa. Here na anaghị the money wụ na ọ dị ka mmadụ ije borrow loan to feed. That is the case of Nigeria. This country has seen a broke country. A country and man na another ego. Ejebiri ego loan with interest just to feed. Mana ọ bụrụ na mmadụ company Nigeria na-eboro ego to create company where people will be working, and that company will be generating more money at least to pay back the loan. It's worth giving. But any loan that is just for consuming, count me out. You know, that is not the best loan. It's not the best loan. Because once the person consumes it, it will be very difficult to pay. But loan for investment is a welcome one. Kuzi I had the sorry na kuzi I to rogo. Mana so yela tomorrow for a bank kebwa. Ya gazie inwa ajuju send the line na WhatsApp 0805 78 37 372. Ya gazie no for.